Every single Axis comes with a rear rack. You'll get a hardware bag and these 4 parts. I'll lay this out so you can see what hardware is supposed to be in the bag, and then we will show you a picture of these parts laid out and then step through how to assemble this. First step is to use these brackets, doesn't matter which one, but this lip faces out when you put it on the chair. Take your 2 hex head bolts with flap and split lock. Just start them, don't tighten them. The exact same thing, opposite side. Install your sides with this lip facing towards the outside. Start here, come down here. Take your last 4 hex-headed bolts with the same hardware and install the X brace on the back. It only fits one way. Next step, take the pan. You'll see there's round holes right here. They go to the front for this thumb screw. Carriage bolts. Washers on the bottom, nylock nut. Once you get all the hardware started, tighten these first because they have square holes that line up through each part. Get those tight and then go through and retighten everything that's holding everything else on in the hex head bolts.